Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Blissym Masseur GlowFit Anti-Cellulite. Okay, you should buy this product or not, and what are the major red flags. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I want to tell you I want to show you something. You can see over here there is a one more product, Eloris Anti-Cellulite device. Okay, so this is the same type of device, and there is a one more device available on internet, that is like this one, Milo cellulite massager. And you can see over here anti-cellulite massager, and you can see over here anti-cellular massager, anti-cellular massager, and anti-cellular massager. The basic thing is the same product is available on Amazon, you can see like on internet, with different names. So it means this is a drop shipping product, and there is no guarantee you will get exact results as they shown in the pictures. Okay, so you need to be very careful. Please don't try to purchase any product on these kind of, you can say like, websites. Otherwise you are going to face lots of issues related to return and refund. Okay, maybe your product is damaged, maybe your product is not working, so in this case you are going to face lots of issues related to return and refund. Okay, so if we talk about like this brand, Blissym is a very newly launched brand, 8 months from now. You can see over here blissym.fr is a very newly launched brand, 8 months from now only. Okay, so be safe, be secure, don't try to purchase, otherwise you are going to face lots of issues. If you have any experience, please share your thoughts, your, you can say like, you can comments is very helpful for other people's. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.